If you often need to upload images and share them privately with clients, team members, or friends, then Share My Image is a tool you should know about. It is made for simple, secure image uploading and sharing without the usual hassle of public links, ads, or complicated settings. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find useful tools with special lifetime deals. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from the description to get Share My Image with the lifetime deal, and by using the link from the description, the discount will be applied automatically. Now let's talk about what Share My Image is and how it works in real life. Share My Image is a web-based platform that allows you to upload images and share them securely. Instead of using public image hosting sites where anyone can access your files, this tool focuses on privacy and control. Once you upload an image, you can decide how it can be shared and who can see them. The first thing you will notice is how simple the interface is. You don't need any technical knowledge. You upload an image, get a link, and you can just simply share it. And that's it. This makes it very useful and very easy for the beginners, and also helpful for the freelancers or small business owners who just want something that works without learning any complicated systems. One strong feature of Share My Image is the security. You can protect your image links with the passwords, and you can set the limit, like limit how long a link stay active, or even you can control how many times a image can be viewed. So this is very helpful if you are sharing client work, private photos, or internal documents that should not be publicly available forever. Another good thing is that there are not any public galleries. Your images are not listed or searchable. Only people with you shared the link, they can access the image. This gives you peace of mind, especially if you work with the sensitive content like design previews, product photos before launch, or personal files. Share My Image is also useful for teams. You can quickly share images with your clients for approval, and you can send the screenshots to your team members or deliver image without using the email attachment. Email attachments are often slow and limited in size, so this tool avoids this kind of problem. The lifetime deal makes it more attractive. Instead of paying monthly fees for cloud storage or image hosting, you pay once and use it for the long term. For freelancers, course creators, or agencies, this can save money over the time, especially if image sharing is a part of your daily work. However, it is very important to understand that what Share My Image is not. This is not a full cloud storage or backup system like Google Drive or the Dropbox. It is focused mainly on image uploading and sharing. If you want to manage large folders, edit documents, or store many file types, you will still need other tools. Also, advanced image editing features, they are not the goal here. This platform is for hosting and sharing, not for the editing photos. You upload the image as it is and you can share it securely. For best use, this tool fits people who value the simplicity and the privacy. Photographers sharing the proofs, designers sending the mockups, marketers sharing their creativity, and business owners to sending the product images, they will find it useful. Overall, Share My Image is a clean and secure solution for image sharing without the noise. It does one job and does it well. If you want quick uploads, private sharing, and control over the access, then this tool is worth to considering, especially with the one-time lifetime deal on AppSumo. So that's it for today's video. If you want, then you can check the link from description. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.